Whether you want to take it easy or prefer something more energetic, enjoy endless activities on your Parkdean Resorts Holiday. From big kids to little kids, whatever kind of fun you're looking for, you'll find it here. Make a splash in our heated indoor and outdoor pools with slides and a fun-packed schedule of activities including aqua jets, inflatable jet skis, pool parties and swimming lessons. Your little ones will love their very own toddler's pool, scrambling around the adventure playground and new adventures every day with the Starland Krew. With shows and activities for all ages. Get ready to choose which crew member you're following on your holiday. There's lots of fun things to do indoors as well, with arcades, interactive walls, virtual reality, bowling and our arts and crafts dens. Fancy putting your skills to the test? Our all-together active family sports program means you can keep active whilst having loads of fun. From archery to body balls, getting competitive on the sports court or scaling new heights on the climbing walls. In the great outdoors, there's plenty to keep you busy. Hire a bike to explore the area or have great fun on our family pedal carts. Strap in for a wild ride on our adventure bugs and reach for the sky on our high ropes courses and bungee trampolines. Explore nature together with our Outdoor and Explore program and nature trails, or learn how to survive in the wild with our Bear Grylls Survival Academy. Plus, exclusive to Warmwell Holiday Park in Dorset, you can hit the slopes on our 110-metre ski slope. With so much to choose from, you can holiday your way. Make sure you pre-book your activities early though, as you won't want to miss out. There ain't no holiday like a Parkdean holiday for action-packed fun. Pre-book your activities online today.